Concept is length of the card. So finding the length of the card to the given circle. So first we are taking one circle here. This is a circle and taking one card AB. This is a card of the circle and this is the center of the circle. From the center of the circle we are drawing one perpendicular to the card of the circle and the perpendicular cuts the card at the point P. Now this point P divides the line AB into two equal parts. Since the perpendicular of the card perpendicular bisects the card, that is perpendicular divides the card into two equal parts. So length of AP, suppose length of AP is equals to x, then the length of VP also becomes x. So therefore length of the card AB is equals to x plus x is equals to 2x. Here the perpendicular divides the card into two equal parts. So these two lengths are equal. So let it be x. So we are taking each part length is equals to x, and length of the total card is equals to AB is equal to x plus x, that is AB is equal to 2x. Now to find the length of the card we have to find the length of x here. So finding of the x value now. Now just I am joining the center C to the one end of the card. Now clearly it is radius CB. CB is equals to distance between the center to the point on the circle, that is CB is equals to R. Now here CB is equals to R. Now here CP is equals to perpendicular distance from center to the line AB. So perpendicular distance is equals to D. Now clearly it is a right angle triangle CPP. From the triangle CPP, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Since it is a right angle triangle, that is R square is equals to D square plus X square. From this the value of X square is equals to R square minus D square. Then X is equal to square root of R square minus D square. Now substituting R value here, 2 into square root of R square minus D square, which is equals to AB value. AB means length of the card. Therefore length of the card formula is equals to 2 root R square minus D square, where R is the radius of the circle and D is the perpendicular distance from center to the given line, that is D value. Find the length of the card intersected by the circle x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 is equal to 0 on the line y is equal to x minus 3. Find the length of the card. Length of the card formula 2 root R square minus D square. So first we are taking the given circle here. Given circle is x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 is equals to 0. Now here finding the center value, 2g is equal to minus 1, 2f is equals to 3 and c is equals to minus 22. Then g is equals to minus 1 by 2. F is equals to 3 by 2. Therefore center is equals to minus c comma minus f, that is 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Minus c comma minus f, that is 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. And radius r is equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c is equals to square root of g square 1 by 4 plus f square 9 by 4 plus 22. C is equal to minus 22, minus of minus becomes plus. And this is equals to, taking LCM, 1 plus 9 plus 4 into 22, 88 by 4. And this is equals to 89, 98, 98 by 4. And this is equals to 49 by 2. And this is equals to 7 by root 2. This is radius value. Given line is y is equal to x minus 3, that is x minus y minus 3 is equals to 0. Now finding the perpendicular distance value, d is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the abo line. Center is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So center 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, that line perpendicular distance. We are taking the perpendicular distance value, and perpendicular distance formula, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. This is the formula. Now we are substituting the values. Here ABC are 1 minus 1 minus 3. Those are the values of ABC, and x1 y1 is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Now substituting the values, a into x1, 1 into 1 by 2 minus 1 into minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by square root of a square plus b square, 1 square plus minus 1 whole square. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and this is equals to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by square root of 2, and this is equals to, taking LCM, 1 plus 3 minus 6 by 2 by root 2, and this is equals to 1 plus 3, 4 minus 2, 6 minus 2 minus 2 by 2 by root 2 equals to 1 by root 2. So this is d value. Therefore length of the card is equals to formula. Length of the card. Length of card is equals to 2 root r square minus d square is equals to 2 root r value. Already we have that r is equals to 7 by root 2. So r square 49 by 2 minus d square. D is equal to 1 by root 2. D square is equals to 1 by 2 is equals to 2 root 49 minus 1, 48 by 2 is equals to 2 root 24. That is answer. Problem. Find the equation of the circle with center 2, 3 and touching the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0. Find the equation of circle. So we have to find the equation of the circle. Suppose this is the circle. Given that center is equal to 2, 3. That is center C is equals to 2, 3. And the circle touches the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the line. The line touches the circle. 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. Now equation of the circle. Equation of already center is given. So equation of the circle formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So clearly given that h comma k is equal to 2 3. Now we want the value of r only. So from the given data we have to find the value of r first. So here r is nothing but here the line is the tangent to the circle. That is here the condition for tangency is r equals to d. That is to find the value of r simply we have to take the perpendicular distance value. Since r is equal to d, since it's a tangent to the given circle, r equals to d is the condition. The conditions are equals to 2. So we are finding the perpendicular distance value to get the radius since these two are equal. So first given that center is equals to 2, 3 and given line is 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. Next we are taking the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is equals to d is equals to perpendicular distance from center to the given line. From 2, 3 to the given line. The given line is 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now finding the perpendicular distance value. So simply substituting the given point in the line equation. That is 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3 plus 1 by square root of a square plus b square. 9 plus 16. 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 16. And this is equals to 6 minus 12 plus 1 by root 25. Root 25 equals to 5. 7 minus 12. Under modulus minus 5. Minus 5 by 5 is equals to 1. Therefore, d is equal to 1. d is equal to 1 means r equals to 1. D is equal to 1 and since given line touches the circle, r equals to d. This is the condition. So, r equals to 1. From this r equals to 1. Therefore, equation of circle is formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. Already given that center h comma k is equals to 2, 3. That is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to 1 square equals to 1. Now taking expansions, x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y is equals to 1. That is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 plus 4, 13 equals to 1. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y, 13 minus 1 plus 12 is equals to 0.